Welcome back everyone to MTL Box Breaks. It is Saturday, September the 28th, and it is now 5:46 a.m. Eastern Time. So it's now time to do our break number 314, which is a certified 2011-12 brand new box. And the serial number is NE93888621. All right. Checklist. So let's begin pack number 1. So good luck everyone. Once again. Base. 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 So we have a certified fabric of the game for the Minnesota Wild, Nicholas Backstrom. Numbered out of 25. Base. Pack number 2. Base. Base. And base. Base pack. Pack number 3. Fabric of the game for the Montreal Canadiens, Thomas Plekanec, out of 25. Base. Pack number 4. Base. 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 Mirror for the Phoenix Coyotes, Ray Whitney. Numbered out of 199. Base. Pack number 5. Base pack. Pack number 6. Mask Marvels. For the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. Pack number 7. Freshman signatures. For the Ottawa Senators, Patrick Wersiuk. Base. Pack number 8. Base. Mirror. For the Minnesota Wild, Cal Clutterbuck. Number out of 99. Base. Pack number 9. This is a thick one. At least thicker than the other ones. Base. And we have a Fabric of the Game Prime for Dallas Stars, Jamie Benn. Nice hit for Dallas. And it's numbered out of 10. Pack number 10. Base. We have a certified potential, Sergei Bobrovsky for the Philadelphia Flyers. And base. Alright, so that's it for this break. Oh, let me show you empty box. That's it for this break number 314. I have to write on this box because I have a couple more doing this weekend, not to mix them up. Just double check these base cards. Alright, so Seems okay. So in this break, number 314, we got hits from Sergei Bobrovsky for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jamie Benn, Dallas, Cal Clutterbuck, Minnesota, Patrick Weirsiuk for Ottawa, Pekka Rinne for Nashville, Ray Whitney for Phoenix, Thomas Plekanec for the Montreal Canadiens, and Nicholas Backstrom for Minnesota Wild. Alright, so thank you very much for joining the break. I hope that you got good hits, and I also hope to see you back on next breaks.